Hello everyone who watched this video tutorial. Today I will show you how to crochet beautiful floral cord. This example has two 3D flowers. Let's take a look at the back side. It can be used as an embellishment or as a part of Irish guipure laces, and to create earring, bracelet, necklace or belt. Let's look at the second example. In this case I used pink color of yarn. Let's begin the work. For work you need a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. Let's begin the work. Begin the work by making a chain. Then chain of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then make triple treble crochet stitch, yarn over the hook 4 times. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 5 times. The base for the segment is ready. Let's make the first round. Make a chain. Work with stitch. Make 10 single crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pull a little bit. Work with the opposite chain. Make 2 single crochet, 1, 2, then 2 half double crochet, 1, 2, 2 double crochet, 1, 2, make treble crochet into the same stitch, double treble crochet stitch, 1, 2, and triple treble crochet stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Then I will show you how to crochet the complex stitch, and now I stop at this point. Let's make the complex stitch. Yarn over the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have done yarn over the hook 6 times. Insert the hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over the hook 2 times. Let's count the third pair of horizontal strands from the bottom. 1, 2, and 3. Insert the hook into 2 loops. Pull up a loop. Pull through 2 loops twice. I have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into the same pair of horizontal strands, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice, and make double treble crochet stitch. Yarn over the hook 3 times, insert the hook into the same pair, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. The complex stitch is ready. Here how it looks. Now I'm going to work with streams. Pull up the working loop. I showed you the direction in crocheting. I will begin from this side, continue with the opposite one, then work with left side, continue with the right side, then in backwards direction. Let's begin. Make a chain, work with the stitch, make 8 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make 8 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Work with the opposite stitch, make 6 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Six single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's stop and look at work. The first row is ready, then I'm going to work in backwards direction by spiral. I turn the work, chain of 4 to bring up the yarn, 1, 2, 3, and 4, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the first stitch, make double crochet, chain, and double crochet into the same stitch, chain, and double crochet into the next stitch, chain, and double crochet into the same stitch, chain, and double crochet into the next stitch, chain, and double crochet into the same stitch, chain, then you should continue working in this way till the end of this row. You should alternate double crochet, chain, and double crochet into the same stitch, and just double crochet. Please don't forget to make a chain between stitches. I remind you should continue working by yourself. And now let's repeat again. I did double crochet and chains, and double crochet, chains, and double crochet into the one stitch. I have done all stitches. Now make a chain. Let's stop. This is the back side of the project. Now turn the work, and this is the front side. Then I continue working on my bracelet or cord. I turn the work to the back side. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the top of the stitch. This is the top of the complex stitch. Make double crochet, chain, and double crochet into the same stitch. And chain. Yarn over the hook. Make double crochet into the triple treble crochet stitch. Make double crochet, chain, and double crochet into the same stitch. Chain. I turn the work. I work with triple treble crochet stitch. Here is my stitch. Make 6 treble crochet into this stitch. Now make first one and chain, 2 and chain, 3 and chain, 4 and chain, 5 and chain, and 6 and chain. Here what we have. Then double crochet, and chain. I insert the hook into the chain stitch. Here is my chain stitch. Make a slip stitch. The round is done. Let's stop and look. The first segment with 3D flower is ready. You can use it as a decoration or a part of Irish guipure laces. And you can use it to create earring, bracelet, necklace, or brooch. Now I put my ready cord and show you what we will do next. Next time I show you how to make such round segment. In my case, I will alternate with segment with 3D flower and just round segment or ring. Now continue working on just round segment or just ring, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, and make triple treble crochet stitch. Insert the hook into the same chain stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 5 times. The base for the next segment is ready. We just need to do single crochet. Make a chain 1, make 10 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and so on till you will get 10 single crochet on the one side and 10 single crochet on the opposite side. I have done in total 20 single crochet. Each side has 10 single crochet, and let's complete this round together. Insert the hook into the chain stitch, make slip stitch. The second segment is ready. Now I show you how to make the base for the next segment. I will begin and you will continue by yourself. Chain of 5, make triple treble crochet stitch. I insert the hook into the same chain stitch and make triple treble crochet stitch. The base for the next segment is ready. Then you should continue working by yourself. You should make such segments as many times as you need. Today we have learned how to make unusual cord bracelet or necklace made of round segments and 3D floral segment. In this case I did 2 floral segment and 1 round that is between 2 flowers. I remind you, you can use it to create bracelet, necklace, earring, or you just crochet a 1 segment and made a brooch of it. For this cord I used different tall stitches such as double crochet, single crochet, treble crochet, double treble crochet, complex stitch, and triple treble crochet stitch. Now I show you such cord that I made of another color of yarn. Please subscribe to our channel and crochet with me. Thanks for watching.